Hi, I'm Shania. In this video we are going to make a fat-free creamy poppy seed dressing. Let's go start with 3 tablespoons fat-free mayo, we have 1 tablespoon enough the white sugar, 2 tablespoons fat-free milk, 1 tablespoon di poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon white wine vinaigrette and some black pepper. Now we mix all together. Okay. And your fat-free creamy poppy seed dressing is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.